Ano po ang advantage ng fake news para sa ating sosyedad o para sa ating bansa? Meron po bang makakasagot sa akin nun?
Sir, may I?
Mr. Chair, sasagot daw?
Yes, please.
Hindi po kayang sagutin. Kailangan po natin ng definition ng fake news. Kasi po, merong fake news na time-bound. Totoo ngayon, bukas hindi na totoo. Katulad ni Galileo na nagsabi na heliocentric ang
Excuse me, Mr. Chair.
solar system.
Madam, please
Opo.
indulge me. Ano po yung unang statement ninyo?
Baka po, para magkaintindihan, ay i-define po natin kung ano ang fake news.
Yung sumunod na statement.
Kasi minsan po, ang tinatawag na fake news ay time-bound. Posibleng totoo ngayon, bukas hindi na totoo. Katulad nga po ng heliocentric versus the geocentric solar system. Naparusahan po si Galileo. Pero 600 years later, nag-apologize ang simbahan. Dahil totoo pala siya.
So, what
So-
is the advantage of fake news?
No, sir, we can only answer that question if we define what fake news is.
And may I know, from your background, how would you define fake news?
Sir, that's one of my problems with the proposed legislation, is that it is very difficult to pin down a definition for fake news.
May I know,
Marami
may I
po
know
akong
what
binasa.
proposed legislation are you talking about?
Sir, Representative Ace Barber says that he proposes regulation, a regulatory framework for social media to combat fake news. And therefore, we have to define what fake news is.
So in other words, as far as this representation is concerned, wala pa akong nababasa na proposal because the proposed bill regarding fake news will come out after this hearing.
Yes, sir, but you're already asking us questions on fake news.
Yes, kaya nga, kasi that is why we're holding this para magkaroon po kami ng clearer understanding kung bakit ano ang fake news, ano yung ill effects ng fake news, ano ang advantages. That's why I'm asking, ano ba ang advantage ng fake news? Para we can balance it.
Sir, like I said, if we can have a working definition of what you call fake news, for instance, is clickbait first fake news, fake yung headline pero nasa body naman yung katotohanan. What about sarcasm, sir? Kasama po ba siya sa fake news? Paano kung jokes? Fake news din po ba yun? Gusto ko lang malaman para alam ko kung paparusahan niyo po kami, alam namin kung ano yung ginawa naming mali.
Wala pang mali kasi wala pa kayong pinaviolate na